Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wonder why the plant went to therapy? Because it had too many root issues. Alright, let's dive into something truly magical: adaptogens. Adaptogens are nature's stress busters. These powerful plants help your body adapt to stress and restore balance. Imagine having a natural shield against life's daily pressures. Sounds amazing, right? So, what exactly are adaptogens? They're a unique group of herbs and mushrooms that support your adrenal system. Think of them as your body's personal trainers, keeping you fit and resilient. Some popular adaptogens include ashwagandha, rhodiola, and reishi mushrooms. Ashwagandha is like a warm hug for your nervous system, calming anxiety and improving sleep. Rhodiola boosts your energy and focus, perfect for those long work days. And reishi? It's known as the mushroom of immortality, helping to boost your immune system. But how do they work? Adaptogens interact with your body's stress response system. They balance cortisol levels, reducing the harmful effects of prolonged stress. In simple terms, they help you stay cool, calm, and collected. Adding adaptogens to your routine is easy. You can find them in teas, tinctures, powders, and even snacks. Just remember, consistency is key. Give it some time, and you'll notice the difference. So why not give adaptogens a try? Your body will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stress-free.